I wanted to talk this morning about coercion. How does it feel when someone is trying to make you do something against your will? Those of us who have lived with bosses who are narcissists, people who have been in relationships with sociopaths, people who have simply had selfish, which isn't always bad, but selfish people in their lives, have felt coerced and convinced and had this energy of not being able to make our own choices. And I think the big reminder the last 20 months is that we have to make decisions that are right for us. If there's coercion and we don't push back, we're going to feel more of the same that we've always felt. How does it feel when someone is telling you what to do? How does it feel when you don't want to do that something? How does it feel when there's pushback from kids or relatives or governments or the powers that be that we have no control of? How does it feel? How does it feel? So I want to, we'll do just a gentle little balance once again about that feeling of coercion, that feeling of feeling like you have no choice. But there is always choice. The choice is always ours. And if we don't own that the choice is ours, we're going to get more and more angry, more and more depressed, more and more anxious. And we're not going to be able to move forward with our lives. So, coercion, being pushed, that's what this one's about.